Enderman here again, and I'm going to show you guys how you guys can make a ringtone on the iTunes on the Mac. So pop up iTunes, and I'll pop up this, and then if I want to go to this, say I want to make this one around the world, I want to go to get info, go to options, see this, and I'm going to change it to that 0 and 03. Then that's done. Hold on, so it's done. Pop up 2, then change it however you want it. So 5, and then just click OK. And then you're gonna want to do this: create AAC version. Like that, and I'll pop this, the Daft Punk song, and you're gonna want to drag and drop into your screen. I'll pop up that, minimize that. Take this, double click it slowly twice, and when it says M4A, click it to M4R. Use M4R. Once that, go to the library, go to your tones, should be in here, and then drag and drop into here. And now you should have your ringtone around the world. So I hope this really works, guys. Please like, rate, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.